Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him or any Republican Congress to make progress on the American.
What the hell is the world coming to?
For the American people.
For the American people.
Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation,
Liar! You are a liar.
What the hell?
we're going to face big penalties. Starting last week, Americans can get tax credits.
Americans, you can get tax credits.
Americans, you can get tax credit.
We have a no yelling policy at these meetings.
Excuse me. Am I talking to you, Pinhead?
And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident.
Hip hop? Hip hop Anonymous?